last factory, Wanjin. Wanjin, are you there? Good afternoon.
Yes.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello, hello. Can you open the video? Hi.
Yes.
Oh.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Very energetic.
Yes.
I have your name. Yeah.
Kathy Liu.
Kathy.
Yes. Kathy Liu.
Kathy Liu. But your speaker is not so clear. Is that? Yeah. Yeah. The video is okay, very clear, but the voice is not so clear. Can you hear me?
How about now? The voice is clear? Better?
No.
Hello?
Your fingers.
No?
Yeah.
I need to modify, sorry.
Is that single problem?
Sometimes too.
Kathy. No problem. We are waiting for you, Kathy.
So, is it okay now?
Yeah, very clear now. Yeah, very clear. Kathy, I'm Helen.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hello.
But I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me?
No, the word is hello.
It's okay
Hello?
now? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Oh my God. Hello.
I can hear you very clear now.
But I cannot hear you.
No problem. You can introduce your company and introduce your products. Is that okay?
So, I cannot hear clearly about your voice, but if you can hear me, how about I introduce my products first?
Yeah. Great. Please introduce it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, everyone, and Helen. Although it's a little accident, but I would also like to continue my introduction of my products. I'm Cassie from Guangdong Wanjin Lighting Company. Our company specializes in outdoor landscape lighting and factory lighting for more than 5 years experience. And we have our own mold and own design engineer team to design all our products. Today, I would like to introduce this is our hot-selling items, the SHUISHI floodlight. This floodlight is suitable for the garden landscape and the building lighting. You can see the design. Maybe some customer would like to say this product is similar of the market floodlight, but I would like to introduce you the difference today. You can see the design is modern, perfectly designed of the appearance, but we also care about the satisfaction of the practical function of this lamp. And as we all know, this floodlight is using for the outdoor landscape. So our engineer care much about the anti-glare function of the lamp. We have 3 secrets of these anti-glare problems. The first one is this anti-glare cover. You can see this 45 degree of this high shading angle to ensure the glare control with excellent visual comfort. It is 360 degrees, can be changeable. Adjust any angles you want. For example, if the light comes from the right side, so when we can turn this glare cover to this way. So when the human eye see the light, this cover will block the glare from the light. So the people's eyes will be more comfortable. And the second secret of this anti-glare problem is if the circumstance under the strong glaring, we can use this honeycomb or the gill, which This gill use the tip of the gill to block the gearing of the tip of the gill to block the gearing from the light sources. And the third, our lamp is the deep cavity structure design, the light source thing. So it can concentrate the light on the illuminated object. And we also care about the heat distribution of the lamp. As you can notice, there is a large heat sink area of our lamp, the very large heat sink area. So, and our lamp also use the ring-driven heat distribution design of the SHUISHI effect. So the air comes from the bottom of the lamp and go out from the tank in the middle of the lamp. So the heat will not stay in the lamp and which can go out.
Great.
And our lamp also, you can see this is the self-cleaning function of the lamp. The glass and the cover is smoothing, clean, and no upper protruding side, so the leaves and the dust will not stay in the lamp. It's cleaning. And there is a diode. I think this is the point of which we can relight it. This is the diode of the lamp. This one, which is easy and quick to set up. Because if we assemble one lamp or two lamps, you can assemble one by yourself. But if the project is large, 50 pieces or 100 pieces per lamps of this one, we can adjust the angles.
Fix the
exact angle one by one in a row. And this lamp could be turn right and left, could be adjustable 120 degrees adjustable, and turn up and down 50%, 15 degrees adjustable.
50 degrees.
This spin angle could be from 3 degrees to 45 degrees spin angle of this lamp, which means if we want to light in the long distance and focusing on the one object, we suggest to use the 3 degrees and 5 degrees. We can light for a long distance. But if you want to light for a large area, like the wall, like the tree, we can use the bigger big angle, like the 45 degrees. And what's more, the material. The material of this lamp is the die-casting aluminum of this lamp. And we also use the Clio chip and the meanwhile gyro inside it. And especially, our engineer focus on the material treating, like the spare treating, because this lamp is using for the outdoor landscape. So the strong rainy days and the strong sunshine also will have the problem of destroying of this lamp. So we use the high-grade spreading treatment of this, which means even if you use for years, this is the UV resistance treatment squaring printing. So even if you use for years, this lamp would be as long as the new. And
yeah, great. Can you hear me? Happy. Yeah.
I cannot hear.
No problem. But thank you for your very detailed introduction of the project light. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah, and I think you're very good sales because you have we are very patient to introduce the products. We can see.
Thank you.
We can see the project light is very how to say, all the function we can know it, and very detailed. Thank you.
Really, thank you. But it's a little mistake. I cannot hear you. But now, if I put the phone near my ear, I can hear what you are saying.
Okay. And how to say, about this project line, I think because we can see the function, we can see it must use in high-end market. It must use in high-end market. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it's very difficult. You can think all kinds of functions like the angle.
Because this lamps really designed for this is usually for the Europe market and the Middle East market.
Middle East market.
Recently, we have accepted many jobs projects about this one because our company produce and making the projects at home and abroad for more than years. So all our products could be used all for the projects.
Yeah, good products, very good products. And how about the warranty of these products? The warranty
of this one could be 2 to 3 years. Depends on the material, on the driver chip the customer wanted. Because for this project lightings, different project, different angle, different gyro or different chips, the customer requirements. So it depends on the project. But regular one, we have the 3 years warranty.
Yeah, Kathy, you are a very good sales, I think.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. How many years you would deal with the lighting business?
Yeah.
How many years you're dealing with the lighting business?
5 years.
Yeah.
Still
great.
young.
Yeah, from your introduction, I know. Thank you. And do you have any new products you want to introduce?
Yes, I still have one more, but am I have the time to introduce one more product?
I think the time is a little bit limited. But you can give a brief introduction. Is that okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. I still have one more product. It's the similar of this one. This one is the new products of our Wanjin Lighting this year because this one is in response to the customer requirements. This one is smaller, 1 watt to 10 watt, but the structure design or the integrated function will be same as this one because many customer require that our product is only make the big power. They still want to get the smaller power of the floodlight, so we produce this one. Then the same bin angle and the same material, deep cavity structure design, and anti-glare function design, and also use the Creo chip. But this one is 24. But we also can add the outer gyro, minimal gyro, and just the customer wanted. And this is the short introduction of this lamp. But if anyone would like to have an interest, I could send you more information as you want it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Kathy, can you hear me? Hi, Kathy.
Hi.
Yeah. You can leave your contact, leave a message with your contact.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So because you cannot hear me, and then it's very difficult to communicate with each other. So maybe next event.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
okay.
you.
See you again. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.